Most teens blow $1,000 on shoes, games, or eating out, and honestly, it's easy to see why. The world is full of temptations, and at 18, it feels like you've got all the time in the world to figure out money later. But let's get real. What if you could flip that same thousand into 10,000 or even more? What if you could use it as a launch pad for something way bigger than just a few weekends of fun? If I were 18 again, here's exactly how I'd invest my first $1,000 to set up a lifetime of financial freedom. This isn't just theory. This is the playbook I wish someone handed me back then. No fluff, no scams, just strategy, real steps, real results. Let's start with mindset. If you give a broke mindset $1,000, they'll end up broke again. It's not about how much you have, but how you think about what you have. This isn't about some quick flip. It's about building a foundation that compounds for decades. Wealth isn't built overnight, but the habits you start now will pay off for the rest of your life. So my first investment, it's not stocks and it's not crypto. It's you, your skills, your attention, your environment. The best asset you'll ever have is yourself, especially when you're young. First move, $150 into books that change how you think about money, building habits, and making income online. These books are like cheat codes for your brain. 3 books that actually rewired my brain: The Psychology of Money, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Atomic Habits. Each one gives you a new lens for seeing opportunities and making smarter choices. Why? Because the cash will disappear, but the mindset you build from these books will make you tens of thousands more over your lifetime. Knowledge compounds just like money does. Next, $300 goes straight into a digital skill you can monetize. At 18, you don't need a job, you need leverage. The world is shifting, and digital skills are the new currency. Pick a skill: video editing, copywriting, graphic design, social media management, even prompt engineering with AI tools. These are in demand, and you can learn them from your bedroom. Use Skillshare, YouTube, or Udemy to learn. These skills turn your time into money. You can start for free or invest a little to go deeper and get ahead faster. You're not just trading hours, you're creating value. The more value you create, the more you can earn, and the faster your wealth grows. Once you've got your skill, use $200 to turn it into cash. How? By investing in the tools and platforms that help you get clients and deliver great work. Buy Canva Pro or Adobe Premiere. These tools make your work stand out and let you charge more for your services. Build a profile on Fiverr or Upwork. Show off your skills, create a killer portfolio, and start pitching to real clients. Spend $50 running TikTok or Instagram ads to promote your service. Even a small ad budget can get your first few clients and build momentum. Or put that $200 toward a freelance course and land your first client. Sometimes, investing in the right course can shortcut your learning curve by months. Your first sale might just make you $50, but that's not the point. It's about proving to yourself that you can create money from your skills. The point is, you just turned $200 into a money printing machine. That's power most teens never touch. Once you know how to make money on your own, you're never stuck. Now, $200 goes into the boring but smart move: long-term investing. This is where your money quietly works for you in the background. Use Robinhood, Fidelity, or Wealthfront. These apps make it easy to start, even if you've never invested before. Buy S&P 500 ETFs like VEO or SPY. These track the biggest companies in America and have a long history of solid returns. Why? If you do nothing but add $200 a year and it grows at 10% annually, that $200 alone becomes $1,345 in 20 years. That's the magic of compounding. Your money makes money while you sleep. But if you keep feeding it with your new skill income, now you're compounding real wealth. Every extra dollar you invest multiplies your future options. Last $100, use it for emergency savings, or, if you're careful, a tiny test into crypto. Emergencies happen, and having a small cushion keeps you from going backwards. Don't go all in, but start learning how to store, trade, and analyze assets like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Crypto is risky, but understanding it now could pay off big in the future. Or just keep that $100 in a high-yield savings account as your starter fund. It's about having options and being ready for whatever comes next. Recap: $150 into books for mindset. This is your foundation, your mental edge. $300 into learning a monetizable skill. This is your ticket to earning more, faster. $200 into launching your service. $200 into long-term investments. One builds your income, the other builds your wealth. $100 saved or learning about crypto. Either way, you're building safety and future knowledge. That's not just $1,000 spent, that's a blueprint for flipping your teen years into financial freedom. Most people never get this kind of head start. Most 18-year-olds won't do this. That's why most are broke at 30. The difference is in the choices you make right now. You know better now. Act on it. Your future self will look back and thank you for every smart move you make today. If this helped you think differently, hit like. Want more practical finance breakdowns? Subscribe. I'm here to help you win with money step by step. And check the description for my free finance starter kit, tools you can use to start today. Your future self will thank you. Remember, the best time to start is now.